What are you doing?
Starting our
I don't have a shirt on.
You're fine. You're Malaise. You're advertising for the group. Malaise
Daze.
Motors.
Yeah,
Malaise Daze.
if you haven't been keeping track on Facebook, it's the 26th of March, which is a Sunday, and it's from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, and we will have a live band, which is going to be Modern Time Machines, and our guest MC will be Rodney Dangerfield. He's come back from the dead for us. He's actually quite good, believe it or not, along with Mark Tracy. We will have food trucks. I mentioned the live band. We will have golden smog pumps to hand out to the cars that are voted by people as being the ones that they really like. And we are going to have a Fern Bar fashion show.
Oh my.
Well, have you ever dressed up in, do you remember back in the 80s?
Sure you do.
Okay.
Yes.
Late 70s, early 80s, if you wanted to get laid, you went to a Fern Bar.
Maybe not in New York, I don't think.
Well, and the rest of the country, that was pretty much, you went to a place that had the, like Bennigan's and
You have to be
Fridays.
straight to go to a Fern Bar, though.
No, not necessarily.
Yeah, you did.
Generally speaking, but not necessarily.
Not necessarily. But anyway, so you wear your, essentially, it is your, flashy attire so that you want to attract attention. Circa 1980.
Peacocking.
Dressy stuff.
Yeah, you want to look good. You want to look real.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
Okay. Peter's going, that ain't happening.
I guess New York had it.
Yeah, well, it turns out that it's a big thing for younger people to dress up like it was 1980.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
The 80s were fun.
See, they were
They
fun.
were fun.
They were
The
fun.
80s were a lot. I remember them.
Right.
Then
Anyway,
you did it right. If you don't remember them, you did it right.
pretty much, that's how that works.